We often look at portraits and simply ask, does it look like them? But 500 years ago, commissioning a portrait was never just about taking a photo. It was a coronation of power, a performance of piety, and even a thorough business deal. Today, we are not just looking at who is in the painting, we are uncovering who staged the show. And more importantly, what they wanted us to see. Let's go back to 15th century Flanders. Portraiture was a game for wealthy bankers and merchants. Take young Eyck's Giovanni Arnolfini and his wife. This is not just a marriage certificate, it's a flash on a wooden panel. The luxurious chandelier, the crystal beads, and that tiny dog symbolize fidelity. But the real master stroke is the convex mirror at the back. It reflects the entire room, and if you zoom into the roundels around its frame, you will see miniature scenes of the Passion of Christ. When Eyck is telling us, we are not just wealthy, we are devout. And the Latin inscriptions, Young when Eyck was here, elevates the artist from craftsman to legal witness. At court, portraits were all about authority. Look at Velasquez Las Meninas, who is the real subject, not the princess in the center. Look at the mirror in the background. It reflects the king and queen. And there, on the left, is Velasquez himself, brush in hand. This painting isn't about the princess, it's about the act of painting the king. It flips the power of looking. You think you are watching them? No, the painter and the king are watching you. In the 17th century Dutch Republic, merchants replaced kings. Group portraits like Frank's Horse, Banquet of the Officers, capture lively civic pride. Every face jostling for attention. The painter struggling to please everyone. In Britain, portraits became real estate ads. Gainsborough's Mr. and Mrs. Andrews shows a couple posed before their land. The golden wheat fields, the distant church tower, all theirs. As Shakespeare wrote in Hamlet, God has given you one face, and you make yourselves another. For 5 centuries, the portrait has been a mirror, reflecting not just faces, but the ambition, faith, and status of entire eras. So next time you look into the eyes of an old portrait, remember, you are not just seeing that person, you are seeing a show that paid a fortune to be remembered.